Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the please close interception before starting the game errors. Let's begin. First, open your browser and look up for Oblitzum interception. Click on GitHub, scroll down, click on download the latest release, and then click on the zip file right over here. All right. Next, open the file location. Once completed, right click and just extract the files. You want to make sure you know where the file folder is located. All right. Next, you need to open CMD. Go over here on your Windows search bar, type command prompt. Make sure to run as the admin. Then you need to use the specific command I will show on my screen right now. cd user profile downloads interception command line installer. Basically, this is where our file is located that we just extracted and downloaded just now, right? So hit enter. It will process something in your PC, and once done, and this will be the second prompt I will show you here. Install dash interception exe uninstall. Just hit enter. Once completed, you need to restart your PC, and once you're back on your screen, everything should now be fixed. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.